In front of me is Motorola Razr 60, and today I would like to show you how you can change font size. First of all, launch Settings and scroll to tap on Display section available here. Now, tap on Display Size and Text, and when you're ready, scroll to operate this slider under Font Size. You can do that to internal or external font. Once you're ready, just go back. As you can see, after a few seconds, size of my font has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!